Recently, I bought this Venus Comfortglide body shaver, which gives the smoothness of perfect silky skin. And as a doctor, I would prefer to use this because it enriches my skin with the goodness of avocado oil. And along with this, it comes with a beautiful packaging which is travel friendly. You can carry it in your purse or anywhere in your makeup pouch, and it's very suitable for all the girls out there. The instruction manuals is easy to read out, and it comes with pretty cool stickers which you can add on to your phone back cover or laptop backspace, and yeah, you're good to go. Recently, I bought this